Hi there, my name's Tricelle. I am an adult doll collector and this is Mama Doll Boss. Thank you for joining me today. We're going to be taking a look at Mini Barbie Land products to see if they're compatible with our dolls, so tune in. Okay, so I'm going to be looking at the Barbie Land and comparing them to other mini toys for our dolls. So I have a lot of different, I got some of these on Amazon and they were on sale at Walmart, but selling out fast. So I got a lot of the houses. So let's just get right into it and then we can compare them to the other toys. So I'm going to compare this to the world's smallest house here. And you do get stickers, which I freaking hate stickers that you could put inside of the house here. Here is the Barbie that you get. So the stickers are removable, which is cool. You know what? I'm not gonna put them on here because we have a lot to cover. I'll do that on a later date or whatever. And then I got this from Five Below for $5, this Barbie case here. So here's the case. And you get a totally hair Barbie here. And I have a double. The same Barbie. Great. That's annoying. And you can put all the Barbies in the case here. And they fit real good, which is really cute. So we have the world's smallest here. So here is how the dog looks. The dog looks with holding a Barbie, so you can see the scale. So I'm gonna open up this Bratz figure here so we can see. I got these capsules a while ago. They were on sale at Target for $2.49. Yeah. So hopefully I don't get any doubles. And I didn't. So we have Chloe, and then I have Jade here. And I have another Jade here. Oh, I have Sasha. I love Sasha. She's so pretty. I do have a nice collection of dolls. At the top you see OMG, my homemade Barbie boxes that I made along with Bratz. And then you have the Kylie Jenner Bratz with the Disney princesses and some Disney mini brands, along with the toys from, or the accessories from the Bratz collection and some Hot Wheels. So here's my doll holding Sasha, and you can see they are extremely compatible. This is a great doll for our dolls. These toys are like the same size since they are made by MGA. So of course these are going to be really compatible with our dolls. And we all know Disney Doorables make good dolls for dolls. I found this clearance at Walmart for $1.49. Here is Black Card. Let's open up one of these right here. This Barbie Land to compare. I was so excited. This was $5.99 on Amazon. It does have a water element here. So if you dip it in water, the color changes to a darker shade of pink. And see inside the package, and it's like a whole little scene. This is so cute. This is absolutely adorable. Sign with it has a mailbox on it. This is adorable. And it is finished all the way around, including the little Barbie little sign here, the Barbie sign on the mailbox, which is adorable. And then here is the Barbie figure. It has some articulation. That's freaking awesome. And then just to compare the Barbie figure to the size of a Bratz doll, it's a little bit smaller. So it's super cute. And she's finished all the way around. And then if we compare her to the world's smallest, you can see there's a significant difference here, but this is adorable. So here's how the figure looks in the car. Just to compare to the Hot Wheels, like if you collect Hot Wheels like I do, there is a significant difference as far as the size is concerned. And of course, no dolls can fit inside of a Hot Wheel. Well, at least not none of the dolls I have. So just to give you a little bit of a size comparison. I mean, but the Hot Wheels was only $1.29 at Target, so there's that. But this is adorable. I love this. Let's open up the Barbie Land mini van here. The little camper, since I have one, now my dog can have one, which is adorable. And it's the same scene. So we do get this minivan here, and it does open on the inside. And as far as the doll can fit, the doll can fit inside of the van here. A stove and a sink. It has 2 seats, and it also comes with the pool that goes right on the top here. Here's the Barbie. This one has on pink shoes. Do get some different things here, so that's pretty cool. As far as variety, you're getting different dolls. I like that. So each playset comes with a different doll. So I also got the Barbie Playland Jeep, and it comes with a tent, and this time we're getting Barbie herself, which is really cool. And this too also has a water element. So it changes from purple to a hot pink, the car, when you put it in water. That's really cool. So here's the doll you get. Like I said, you get Barbie, and she's super cute. And then you get a tent. This is adorable. A little opening here. Here is the Jeep. The doors don't open like the van, but this is still super cute. So here's how the doll looks inside the Jeep, and it's super cute. Adorable. And then I did get the boat as well. So here is the boat, and it does come with a slide and a heart-shaped pool, which is really, really cute. And the doll, as you can see, does fit inside of the pool. And I absolutely love this toy. And as you can see, this really goes good with our dolls. So if you look at a size comparison, I would say the Barbie is a really good scale for our dolls. And this is how she looks holding a doll, which is adorable. So here is the Barbie Land airplane. So I'm just gonna open it up so we can take a closer look. So here's the Barbie doll. And it does open. And the doll can fit inside of the plane, kind of. I can't get her. Oh, she's kind of straight right now. Yeah, she's kind of straight right now. I was having a hard time getting her to sit up in the plane, but this is how it looks. And I think this is adorable, which is again another great addition for our dolls. So here's one of the Barbie houses that I did get. I ended up getting all 3 at Walmart, and they were on sale. And let's just open it up. So here is the front of the house, and you can see that there are some sculpted details on the front of the house, just like the regular Barbie doll houses, which is extremely cute. So let's turn the house around, and we'll see there is an elevator. There is also a slide with a pool, and then we have stairs with a bathroom area. There are a lot of sculpted details on the house, along with working doors. And we do also get a bed, and then there is a spot where you can place the bed so it doesn't move. We also have some mystery items. So you get this beautiful doll right here, and these pegs fit here, along with like the other dolls, they can fit in here as well. Here is the world's smallest bunny here. It's so cute. And then it also has like an area, like a house for the bunny. And then there's also a garage on the house that the car fits into. That's adorable. So let's open the other one. And even though the doll is inside of, you see the doll right here, it's inside the little mystery box. It's not a surprise. What a surprise is the pet that you get. So you can get a different pet. So I'm just gonna open this up. And here is the house right here. And we do get a swinging chair, and it fits really adorably in the house. It's so cute. We have a working door along with a slide and a pool area. There are a lot of sculpted details on this house, and it's adorable. I really like all the details there. And then the elevator does work here. So we do get another box. So here is the doll. We were getting this doll here. It's a teeny tiny little, looks like a hamster. And here is the hamster's cage, I'm assuming. And then you can see it there in comparison to the doll. It's super duper cute. And then on the front of the house, there is a lot of sculpted details. So if you like to paint, this would be an area where you are able to customize this house and make it your own. So I did get the Barbie Dream House the mini Barbie Dream House here. So I'm gonna open this up as well. It looks just like the 2023 Barbie Dream House here. You do get another swing chair, just like you do with the regular Dream House. It also comes with a pool, which is super cute. And we do get a bed. So let's open up the mystery box. And here is it looks like maybe the Barbie the movie doll here. We get a dog this time. It's so cute. And a little dog house. So on the second level of the house, we have the tree and the garden area with some stairs that attaches to a slide. And then there's also a pool, just like the original house. And then the door is a working door, which is so adorable. And I do love the elevator here that is functional. And I did notice this only has 2 levels, unlike the original house that has 3. Yeah, my favorite thing about this house is the pet. It's adorable. So these are all of the houses. Now let's compare and see what we got here. So I know I didn't put the furniture in here, but it has printed furniture that is removable. You can always DIY your own house too. So there is also another option. I bought this Barbie activity set. Now it's not a functional dream house per se, but you can use it like in shots and videos. This activity set, I purchased this at Target a long time ago. I got it for half off. So let's just open it up. So it does come with these stickers that are super cute, and then these Barbie stamps, but these look like Barbie figures, and you can actually use them for dolls. I think you could, in my opinion. And here's the actual house. And it has this cute little thing here so you can put the notes. It comes with crayons. This right here, this is a pen, which is super cute. These are stencils. These are so cute. And then it comes with these crayons. I'm gonna have a DIY and show you what we can do with these crayons. But then overall, here's the house. So you do have some options. You could DIY a house, do the world's smallest house, or pick up the activity set from Target. And of course, there is Barbie Mini Land houses now, and you can get the Barbie Mini Land Dream House or any other dream houses that are available to you. But there is also another option. You can always do the Dollar Tree house. And this, I mean, it's $1.25. I know Dollar Tree has gone up on their prices, so I don't know. I haven't gone in since the prices have changed, but this comes with furniture, so I'm gonna open this up. So all the furniture in here is pink. You get a couch and looks like a chair, a table, it's another seat, and here is also a bed. It comes with the entertainment center and this piece right here. And then you get these two little peg people right here. It doesn't have any place to, and you're supposed to be able to stand the little people up in the room, but I can't stand them up. Door does open here. And here's how it looks. There you have it. Dollar Tree, Target, DIY, World's Smallest, and now Barbie Mini Land houses, which I think are super adorable. And I love adding these to my dolls collection of toys, which is so crazy that I'm able to collect toys for my toys. I love it. So yeah, this is all the houses. Let me know in the comments below what which option would work better for you as a collector, or as far as you giving a gift or collecting toys for your toys.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give me a big thumbs up if you did enjoy. Also leave me a comment down below and share the video. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. I hope you have a wonderful day. And again, I do appreciate each and every one of you. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.